Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Dusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nawada branch. Students, today I am going to discuss the unit 2 of the chapter Stress Management Technique. The students, in the previous what we have discussed already, you have given the exam. So today onwards, what will I discuss? The next exam, that type of the question will come. So students, first of all, I will discuss what do we mean by stress. You know very well what is stress. That means when you take any type of the stress, then how to manage. Okay, students. So students will discuss that one. So stress means physical and emotional disturbance. Okay, students. Stress means physical. Stress is the physical and emotional. Physically will be disturbed and emotional also will be disturbed. Okay, students, when the stress will come? When you take the pressure. That means when you are doing the work anywhere, you must have the stress. That means you take the pressure when you do the work throughout the world. That means we are not working not at only the home. We are working also outside the home, outside the district, outside the state, country also. That means throughout the world we are doing the work. And when we take the pressure, that means when our management will give the pressure to the employee, in that situation we are taking the stress. That means I will think, or we are thinking how to complete that work. Within that means that management has given the certain limited of time, and within that limited time we have to complete that one. In that situation we are thinking that one, how to complete. Yes or no, student? So automatically your stress will come in your mind. Once stress will come in your mind, that is your what? It may have the headache. How to complete? If you will not complete, you can forget, feel the hungry. That means you will not take any type of the food. That means you are not taking the interest to take the food. You are not also taking the interest to gossip with the others. Only focus on your work. If you do the work continuously, more than 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, your stress automatically will come in your mind. Is that clear? Now, you all the students are studying. Some of the students are studying class 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When your exam is nearing, when your exam will be near to your, for the final, that time what are you doing? You are taking serious. Today, after 7 days, we will give the exam. Now it is time to learn. Now it is time to study. Why are not you studying before 2 months, before 3 months? Why not you updating regularly? Why are you studying during the exam hour? If you are studying more and more time in the examination hour, you automatically take the stress. Is that clear, students? So I am telling that one, then what do you mean by stress? At any situation, the stress will come in our mind. Once stress you are faced, that means automatically your physically may be damaged, your emotional also will be damaged. Is that clear, students? And the stress not only for the old man. Okay, students, it can also happen from the little childhood younger, old, elder, this type of the parents, our brother, sister, mother, father, yes or no, organization, they are all taking the stress. Okay students, to avoid this type of the stress, to study the what management technique. Some of the techniques we are studying, for that we are avoid that stress. Okay students, now we will discuss students for the stress. When you are taking the stress, what type of symptoms can be arised? Okay students, symptoms. Students, when you are taking the stress or you are in the stress, some of the physically, your physical body part can be damaged. It cannot be work at the some of the certain time. Okay students, the symptoms, what type of these symptoms can be arised? Okay, how do we know we are in stress? I am telling you, you are stressed, but that's, guys, he told me that what? I am not in stress. I am free. I am cool. I am very happy. But he or she knows very well whether he or she is taking stress or not. Is that clear, students? The students, for that type of the symptoms, we are discussing some of the symptoms. For that, stress is in your mind. Okay students, so there are different type of these symptoms students. First one, suppose one is your head, one is your, okay student, one is your headache. So students, headache, that means your brain is not working, your head is in the hot. Okay students, not working properly, that means you are in the stress. Remember this one. Okay students, second one students, sweating more and more on your hand, on the hand. That means unnecessarily when the sweating will be arise on your hand, that means think that you are in the stress. Okay, at what time stress will come? When you are in the sweating. That means when the sweating will be arise on your body, on your hand also, from your face also. When the sweating will be arise, that means you are in the stress. You think that one, in the cold time, during the winter time, there is no any type of the hot, that means totally cold. During that time also, sweating is arise. That means you are taking the stress. Is that clear, students? So headache, sweating, okay students, stomach pain, okay students, stomach pain, that is also one of the symptoms of the stress. Is that clear, students? Then fourth one is the students, suppose cold also or fever, that is also one type of the symptoms for the your stress. Is that clear, students? So many heart disease, certainly heart stroke is there, that means heavy stress on his or her mind. Yes or no? Head stroke. Okay students, or our headache, we have already discussed that one. Another also, when you are crying, when you are nervousness, when you are feeling nervous, you want to try or you want to speak something, but you are not telling, but you are not speaking. For that situation also, you are in the stress. So many symptoms. Okay students, during our working hour, when this type of the symptoms will be arise, you think that one you are in the stress. Is that clear, students? So students, these are all the symptoms and effects in our body. Okay students, from my point of view, don't take any type of the stress. One thing I am telling you students, in the world, one of the philosopher has told, no one has the man such type of thing who has not taken the stress. All type of the people are taking the stress, from lower type people to higher type of the people. In the all type category of the people are taking the stress. Some of the people are taking more stress, some of the people are taking less stress. But stress must be in the work. Is that clear, students? So students, I am telling that one. So this type of the symptoms, so many symptoms are given in your book. You read that one. Okay students. Now I will discuss the student one of the American Psychological Association. Okay, so one of the American Psychological Association, he has said something. They have said something. It supports individual in getting the best. That means that psychology person, American person, has given some of the suggestions to us at what time you or we are free from the stress. What will we do for that type of situation? For that we are free. We will discuss that on student. For example, understand your stress. If you know that any type of symptoms arise in your body, that means now you are 100% still sure you are in the stress. If you are in the stress, then what will you do, students? Understand your stress. In your stress, you understand. Try to understand what type of the stress you are taking. You think that one. Is that clear, students? That means you try to understand yourself. For what reason I am taking the stress? Think that one. Then students, identify your stress sources. From where stress is coming. Okay students, suppose now I am free. After 10 minutes I am in stress. That means I am thinking particularly in that situation from where the stress is coming. For what type of thinking I am doing, what type of thinking by myself, for that the stress has come in your mind, you think that one. Okay students, or identify that one. Make self-care. Try to care of yourself. Don't do the work 24 hours, 20 hours. Try to take the rest in every some of the period of the time. After 1 hour or 2 hours, try to take the rest. He is telling that you take the self-care of yourself. Then ask for the support when needed. Don't be any type of the hesitate. You take the support from the other. You be frank from the others. Directly ask, can you please me support for this type of the work? Okay student. So don't be any type of the hesitation. When the teacher is teaching you and students are asking questions, and some of the other students are hesitated, are feeling hesitated. What? For asking the question. In that situation, what? If you not ask the question, then it must be doubt in your mind. And when you are going to the home, you are not feeling any type of the hungry. You are not sleeping. What you are telling to your mother? माँ, मुझे नींद नहीं आ रहा, मुझे भूख नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे प्यास नहीं लग रहा है. You are telling this type of the statement to your mother because you have not asked the question, but in your mind you have the problem, you have the doubt of that particular topic, of that particular exercise, of that particular question. Is that clear or not, students? So students, always be asked for the supporting from the others if you need. If not, don't need, then no need to ask the support. Is that clear or not, students? So in this way, students, these are all the stress what today class I have discussed. This is our video 1. Yes or no, students? So what today class I have discussed, particularly all are in the stress. At what time we are taking the stress, we have discussed that one. What type of the symptoms we have discussed. Then one of the psychologists of the American person to support us. That means he has given some suggestions to us. What type of things you do. Yes or no, students? So this type of thing we will do that one. Okay, students? So these are all the today's class we have discussed. In the next class, students, we will discuss the self-management technique. 3 techniques are there, students, for which we can easily handle the stress. If you obey that techniques, if you follow that techniques, then we must handle the stress. There are 3 types of the technique to handle, to manage the stress. That one is what? AEA. Remember this one. For handle the technique AEA. Okay, students, is that clear or not? So we will discuss in the next class what is the full form of the A, then E, then again A. We discuss one by one in the next class. This chapter. Okay, student, to be read and carefully by.